Well, it's very difficult to say anything about it because we have just played one day-night game, which was with SG Ball, and the domestic games which I've played was with Kookaburra Ball. So, uh, well, it's to be honest, it's very difficult to predict whether you can keep the grass cover or you can still take it off. We are in a stage where we don't have a lot of experience as players, but we are trying to figure out. So we'll see. I mean, it's a. I mean, I feel that it's an important game for us to qualify for the World Test Championship. So we would try and focus on the things what we want to do as a team and try and make sure that we win this Test match.
घंटों रिसर्च कर कर बढ़िया प्लेयर्स चुन के बेस्ट टीम बनाई थी तुमने, पर टीम फिर भी हार गई तुम्हारी। क्या कभी ऐसा लगा है कि रियल प्लेयर्स के साथ भी खेल रहे हो या नहीं? हाउसर पे आओ, हाउसर पे आप ही की तरह है सिर्फ और सिर्फ असली फैंस, गारंटीड। विजिट houser.com and make your team now.
Well, it's a new stadium, it's a new pitch, so that experience. I mean, once we play more games, we'll get to know about the pitch. But it's a beautiful stadium. You know, we all are enjoying here. We had a gym session yesterday. Today we did a net session. So yes, all of us are looking forward to play again here. I played last year in 2012. And I had fond memories of playing against England in 2012. So yes, I mean all of us are looking forward for this Test match. Whether we have experience, I mean playing more. The stadium got ready, and we didn't have so many games after that because of COVID. So that can't be controlled. But yeah, I mean I feel that whatever is there, whatever situation is there in front of us, we'll just like to accept it and then move on. Well, sometimes if you are playing on a turning track, you find it difficult. But at the same time, it wasn't a dangerous pitch at all. When the ball spins, people find it difficult to score runs, especially overseas teams. When they don't have such pitches, it's a bit difficult for them. But at the same time, when we go overseas, when we play on a seaming track, and if the game finishes in 3 or 4 days, then we still have to play on such pitches where there's a lot of grass, where there is a lot of seam movement. So when it comes to turning tracks, I don't think you can define with whether the ball should spin this much or that much. I mean it's a very thin line in that way. So I don't think it was a bad pitch. Yes, it always becomes difficult in the second innings, and that is how it is. Even when we play in Australia on day 4 or day 5, if there are cracks, pitch becomes little dangerous where hot ball will hit the crack and it might take off. So as a team, I don't think we had any issues, and I'm sure even opposition teams, once they are used to it, once they start playing more matches on such pitches, they will also figure out a way. Well, I can't talk about the team selection, but it's good he's back in his rhythm. When it comes to team selection, I'm not allowed to say anything at this stage. We still have a few more days before the game, but it's good to see him back in his rhythm, and I've been talking to him, so yeah, he looks in good nick, and let's see. I mean, depending on the team's combination, the management will take a call on him being part of the playing 11. Maybe. See, looking at the weather, there is a possibility that there might be some little bit of dew in the last session. But guys have played a lot of cricket with white ball, and many of the white ball games you expect dew in the second half of the game. So our bowlers are used to it, and even as batters, we have played some games with the pink ball. So it I mean, it could be there in the third session, but how much? I mean, we don't know. As the game progresses, we'll have a better idea of it. But yeah, we are expecting some dew in the last session.